Hey guys, hope everyone having a great day today. Unless you are new to the channel, welcome and welcome everybody. So yeah, as you can see, the channel's name is mentioned here, which is Stock Experts. So it is all about the stock market, whether we cover almost all over the world, especially India, and then hey guys, hope everyone having a great day today. Unless you're new to the channel, welcome and welcome everybody. So yeah, as you can see from the channel's name, which is Stock Experts. So this is the channel we have created a few days ago, months ago, and we cover about the stock market, what is going on in the stock market, especially in India and the United States. So these two places we cover everything about the stock market. So this is about the introduction of the, as you can see, the introduction of the channel, and this is Stock Experts. Basically, it was in Hindi language, and later on we decided let's try in English as well. So as we see, but if you prefer Hindi, Urdu, or English, which one of them you prefer more? You may ask us, you may tell us in the chat box, and you may tell us in the chat box so that we can try to change the language like Hindi, English, or Urdu. It depends on you. Yeah. So if you have any suggestion, you may ask in the chat group, in the top chat. You can tell us in the tab chat. All right. So this is all about the channel, and we have a stock expertise, a professional, the proper team. They work on the stock market 24/7. They keep an eye on the stock market 24/7, whether the stock market of the India or the United States and the other continents. All right. So this is the our channel. Please do subscribe the channel, and it will be very appreciable, because we are not making like asking anything else. We don't have any fees. So this is the channel. We are providing the information about the stock market free of cost. All right. So this is all about the channel, and there is in the description, as you have already maybe seen, like in the description we have mentioned which company we are going to discuss today, and is a great company, and and this company is making a lot of progress, a lot of profits in the stock market, and making their shareholders happy, and the shareholders also making the company happy. So they are making a lot of money, lot of profits. So lot of profit in this session, in this company we are talking about, and later we will discuss the suggestions from our team, the charts, the MA parameters, daily charts, monthly charts, and each and everything we will cover. We will try to cover each and everything in a detail. All right. Furthermore, I have also uploaded a short reel in Hindi. So you can also have a look, watch that reel as well, which I uploaded today. And also I have uploaded several short videos and several short reels. Also many short videos, and also the live streaming also. All right. So you can go to the playlist, and you can choose whichever you are interested, whichever topic you are interested. You can have a look, and I hope so it will be very hopeful for you, hopeful it is very beneficial for you. And thank you so much for coming to the channel and watching our videos. And so the description, in the description, as you can see, there is a WhatsApp also given. So this is the WhatsApp from our team, our customer support team. If you have any question, you can ask in the through the WhatsApp. Also in the other slides, the QR code is mentioned. In the short videos also, the QR code of the WhatsApp is also mentioned. So if you have any question regarding to the stock market, what is going on in the stock market, what are the parameters, what are the MA parameters, what are the candlestick charts, each and everything, anything regarding to the stock market or regarding to the company, or if you have any suggestion like would you prefer the streaming or the videos in Hindi, Urdu, or English, it's all up to you, right? So we are just fulfilling the viewers demand. All right, this is all about the channel, and hopefully you have liked it. Also, if you have any question, you can ask in the top chat, in the chat box. In the chat box is given here, so you can also give your suggestions, or anything you want to ask about the stock market, you can ask in the chat box as well. Please do like the video, will be very appreciable, and also please share the video and like our videos in the playlist. All right, so thank you so much, and please do subscribe the channel. So let's get to the work. Let's see what we are going to talk about today. This is the company we are going to talk about, and they're micro leading with, they are right, they are leading in the stock market right now. So let's talk about this company as well. Yeah, all right, let's get started. Micron Technology is leading in the stock market, is a great company, is a big company. As you can see here, the Micron Technology, and the code of this company is MU in the stock market. So wherever you see the MU word, that is a Micron Technology company in the stock market. All right, so Micron's, they have one of the product which is HBM3 memory product, is becoming a leader in the industry due to its outstanding performance. The performance is amazing. So that's why this Micron Technologies, this product is leading in the Micron Technology and in the stock market. All right, so let's read about a little bit about this company as well and their achievement. All right, so Micron Technology is an American manufacturer of computer memory and data storage, offering products including dynamic random access memory, flash memory, and USB flash drives. So this is a short introduction of this company, which is Micron. A company is an American company, and they manufacture regarding to the related to the computer accessories. All right. So what is their performance? Let's have a look. Starting from the core element of AI computing power, we understand that GPU, advanced processes, including COWS, packaging technology, and HBM are the three main bottlenecks that constrain the performance of a single chip. Among them, the cost of HBM is particularly prominent in the AI chips. AI is the artificial intelligence chips. According to the analysis, the cost of each 100 chips is close to $3,000, with Hynix HBM cost accounting for nearly $2,000 US dollars, which far exceeds manufacturing and packaging cost, becoming the largest single component of chip cost. Micron's HBM3F can store up to 24 GB of data per 8 height cube and transmit data at an astonishing speed of 1.0 TB per second. This technological advantage makes Micron stand out in the fiercely competitive data center market and a trusted first choice for the customers. As you can see in the graph, the worldwide semiconductor shipments are here, and this is the detail we have talked about. This company, which is Micron Technology, is really doing great. And if you have any questions, you may ask in the chat box in the chat section. Also, there is a link available in the description as well. Also, meanwhile, there's also a QR code is mentioned here, as you can see here. Text me on WhatsApp. So if you have any question, you may ask in the through the WhatsApp or through the chat box, and our team, our customer support team will assist you 100% free of cost. So this is all about the Micron Technology, which is leading in the stock market. All right. So this is the company we have discussed, which is a Micron Technology, and the Nasdaq MU in the stock market. The code is MU. All right. So these products, there is one of their product which is HBM3, and it is a great product which lead them in the industry. to the because of its due to its outstanding performance, and it is one of the leading stock in the stock industry. And this was the introduction of this company, and hopefully you like it. And as you can see in the graph here, their achievement is making a progress here, as you can see in the graph as well. So this is the company and their product, which is one of the great product of them. And of course, they are very prominent in the AI chips also. And according to the professionals, according to the analyst, the cost of this one of the chip, which is H100 chip, is almost close to $3,000, right? So this is their performance and their achievement in the stock market. And one of their product, which is Micron HBM3 memory, is a great product. You can also try this product, and their performance is really great. All right, let's get to this one as well, and let me just drag it out somewhere else, and let's have a look. Okay, I think that's fine. All right, just put it here. Let's have a look. Daily chart analysis of the Micron Technology, and as you can see in the stock market. All right, so this is the Nasdaq. MU is a code of the company, which is Micron Technology in the stock market. So wherever you see in the stock market, as you can see here, this is the graph, one of the graph, and the parameters, as you can see here, the Micron Technology and MU is the code of this company. So this is a great company. Let's talk about this company a while. So the Micron Technology is an American manufacturer of the computer memory and data storage, offering products including dynamic random access memory, flash memory, and USB flash drives. So this is one of the company which is basically an American company, and their products are related to the computer accessories, and they have an amazing performance as well. And you can see that in the flow chart. In this chart, as you can see here, we have a suggestion from our team. So our team is professional in the stock market. They are keeping an eye for 24/7 on the stock market, on the graphs and the parameters. So we have a suggestion, we have a conclusion from our company, and which is at the present, as you can see, these parameters, the stock price trend is relatively simple, as you can see here, with an upward trend. As you can see, this is going to the upward trend in the band. All right, so buying points can be considered near the mid-term of the MA parameter. So this is our suggestion, our company. So at present, the stock market trend, as you can see here, is very simple, and upgoing trend is going to the upward side, and buying points can be considered near the midpoint with the midterm of the MA parameters. All right, so this is the suggestion from our team. And furthermore, we have a WhatsApp also given here. Text me on WhatsApp, and also in the description, the link is also available for the chatting for the WhatsApp. So this is our team, which is customer support team. They're gonna help you out 100% with assistant, and it is 100% free of cost. Furthermore, you can also ask us in the chat, top chat, in the chat comment section. You can also ask anything about the parameters, how they usually work, what are the daily charts. So this was the daily chart, and what is the monthly chart, everything. So this is the daily chart analysis of the Micron Technology company in the stock market. Hope you like the video. Yeah, so this is the company we have discussed about, as you can see here, the Micron Technology and the daily chart analysis. This is the daily chart and the parameters, as you can see here. So we have suggest you to buying points can be considered near to the midterm of the MA parameters. So it's all up to you. We only give you suggestions. The decisions will be made by you. So we are not in like, don't be rushed. Think positively, and if you think it's a good, it's just an suggestion from our team. which is their experience according to the experience of our team. You might consider this one. So this is the daily chart analysis of the Micron Technology. Also the WhatsApp and the link in the description also given. Also a little short introduction in the description also given for it. All right. So this is all about, we have learned about this short graph, the daily chart. All right. So this is the main topic we are going to discuss today, which is Micron revenue surged by 82%. So this is Micron Technology, is an American company. We're gonna talk about this in detail later in a while. So their revenue have surged by 82%, which is a good news for the stock market, for the shareholders. All right. So let's have a look. In the catalog, in the contents, we're going to talk about the company profile. First of all, what is this company, what the company really do, and what are their achievements, each and everything. Well, when the manufacturer or when it was established, everything in detail. We're going to talk about the company's profile, and after that, in number 2, as you can see here, the company's analysis. So we're going to try to analyze. We try to analyze this company a bit in a detail and with clear points. All right. Number 3, as you can see here, there is a technical and financial analysis. So we're gonna elaborate, we're gonna explain in from the perspective of the technical perspective and also the financial perspective. In these two perspectives, we're gonna see how strong their finance is. All right, how financially they are strong, and also the technical analysis. We're gonna try to elaborate this and see their competitors, what is their competition in the market, everything we see in the details. All right, in the end, we're gonna try to elaborate this and conclude this summary, and let's have a look like what we have achieved and what is the achievement of this company. Is it good for the stock market shareholders? Do we need to invest or not? Everything we're gonna discuss in detail about the summary in the end. All right. So this is all about the catalog, the number of the contents. Hopefully you like it. The number 1 is very clear. We're gonna talk about the company profile. Number 2, we're gonna talk about the company analysis. Number 3, we're gonna talk about the technical and financial analysis. And number 4, in the end, we're gonna do the summary of this company. Okay. So let me make it a bigger one. All right. I think this fine. Here you go. Okay, so let's talk about the company's profile first, and let's have a look. So as you can see, there's a photo of the company. This is their logo. It is how it looks like in a blue shaped, in a blue shade, and the yellow shade is covered the corners. So this is the company, which is located in the USA, and this is how it looks like. I think this is their headquarters, as you can see in the photo here. So let's read about a while for this company. Micron Technology and its merged subsidiaries are industry leaders in innovative memory and storage solutions through its global brands Micron and Critical. Its extensive combination of high-performance memory and storage technologies, including DRAM, NAND, 3D, X-Point TM memory, and NOR, is charging how the world utilizes information to enrich everyone's lives. With over 40 years of technological leadership, the company's memory and storage solutions have achieved disruptive trends in key market areas such as mobility, data centers, clients, consumers, industry, graphics, automotive, and networking, including an artificial intelligence, AI, 5G machine learning, and autonomous vehicles. As you can see here, there I think they have a key market, and which are the very crucial, very important in this new era, in this new technologies. The all the main products which are working and using, making big profits, they are working on these. Number 1, For example, like the graphics, like the automotives, networking, artificial intelligence, most of is 5G, machine learning, autonomous vehicles. So these are the important data centers. These are the important areas which they are working on. That is why they are the strongest one. They are making a great progress in the stock market as well, right? And making their shareholders happy, So Micron Technology is an American manufacturer of computer memory and data storage, offering products including dynamic random access memory, flash memory, and USB flash drives. It consumer products including ballistic series memories modules are sold under the crucial band as one of the leaders in the global storage chip industry. Its generated DRAM memory and NAND are widely used in electronic devices such as personal computers, AI servers, smartphones, and cars. These two major businesses contribute over 95% of Micron's revenue. In recent years, the company's DRAM product revenue accounts for 68% to 74%, and NAND accounts for 21 to 29%, indicating a relatively stable revenue structure. So this is the company's profile. Hopefully you like it. And as I told you, they are working in the key market areas like artificial intelligence, networking, automotives, automobiles, graphics, and etc. These are the main products of this era, and they are working on this. Yeah, so I think this is great for them, and they have the two major businesses contributed over 95% of the Micron's revenue. So what are the two businesses? In the recent years, the company's DRAM products revenue accounts for 68% to 74%, and NAND accounts for 21% to 29%, indicating a relatively stable revenue structure. So this is their profile, a short introduction of this company, and later we gonna talk about in detail about this company financially and try to figure out in what are their roles in the stock market as well. All right, let's get to the other part as well. Let's talk about their company analysis now. So in detail, and let's try to figure out their company analysis. Okay, so as you can see here, first of all, we're gonna talk about their core advantages, which is HBM. HBM3E is their main product, which lead them a revenue in the stock market like surged by 82%. This is their main reason, which is HBM3E. So let's read about this a while. So let's read about this a little bit about this company, why they were surged by 82%. The main product is HBM3E. This is one of the finest achievement of this company. Also for the technology, you can also buy this product anywhere in the world from the Amazon. I think you can buy it easily, and you can also contact their customer support. They're gonna help you out how to figure this out. All right. So the core advantages, let's read out for a while. HBM is a high bandwidth, low energy storage, and technologically specified designed for high performance computing and graphics processing. HBM uses a 3D stacking storage technology to fully connect multiple stacks DRAM chips together and achieves high speed and high bandwidth data transmission through silicon via TSVs. Okay, so HBM uses 3D stacking technology to stack multiple storage chips together, which not only significantly reduces the storage system space proportion, but also greatly reduces the energy consumption of data transmission. High bandwidth can significantly improve data transmission efficiency, allowing AI large models to run more efficiently 24 hours a day without interruption. Especially the HBM storage system also has powerful low latency characteristics, which can quickly respond to data access requests. Generative AI large models such as ChatGPT-4 typically require fluent access to large datasets and an extremely heavy workload for model inference. The powerful low latency feature can greatly improve the overall efficiency and response speed of AI systems. In the field of AI infrastructure, HBM storage systems are fully bound to NVIDIA H100 or H200 AI GPU server systems, as well as fully bound to becoming delivery of NVIDIA P200 and GB200 AI GPU server system. So they have the collaboration with NVIDIA as well. As you can watch my previous videos. I have talked about the NVIDIA in detail. Also, I have made a streaming. Also, I have short videos of regarding this company, NVIDIA, and it's a great company. Is making so much progress. This is the company who surpassed Apple recently in the stock market and become the second leading company in the stock market. So you can, I think I will suggest you to go and have a look at my stream or short videos about the NVIDIA. They have doing a great job. As you can see here, they are NVIDIA actually they are also related to the autonomous vehicles. Also, same as the Micron Technology, they have very similar products, AI and autonomous and GPU and etc. So this company they are collaborating with like it is compatible with NVIDIA's H100, H2 AI GPU server systems. So it is very compatible with them. So as you can see here, it is great and it can run 24/7 24 hours a day without any interruption, like continuously it can work and there is no bugging, there's nothing else, it's not going to slow. This is their best option. I think the Micron HBM3E, I think this is one of the best choice if you make it. And because as you can see here, they are saying that this one run efficiently 24 hours a day without any kind of interruption. So this is great, I guess. And it is silicon vias. It's made of a silicon. This chip is made of a silicon which is heat resistant, and it is when the PC is heat up, this silicon chip won't get you trouble. All right, so this chip is great. Also, they are collaborating with NVIDIA. For the NVIDIA, I have also mentioned many times in my previous videos. You can have a look in the short videos as well, and also the short videos also in the streaming. The NVIDIA is one of the top company in the industry in the stock market. So this is all about, we have talked about this one, and let's get to the other part as well. Let's talk about the growth in HBM market, size and demand. What is their size and what is their market in the world globally, right? So let's have a look globally. Let's have a look on their performance. Okay, let me just put it here. Let me read for a while and then we're gonna try to track this figure. All right. So growth in HBM market, size and demand. Before outbreak of AI, it is before the AI, right? So before the outbreak of AI, the market predicted that the global HBM would steadily grow to a market of 10 billion US dollars. But with the emergence of the big model in 2023, when there was AI, the market center prediction of HBM is rapidly rising because of the AI, of course. And then, as you can see here in the graph here is mentioned, so global HBM demand, which is in million GB, all right? So global HBM market size is also in the billion US dollars. As you can see, their market size and their demand is increasing parallel, right? So they are like improving together, they are working, increasing together because of the AI. Before AI, it was also great, like they were like the growth market was 10 billion US dollars. But after that, after 2023, when they have launched like AI, artificial intelligence. Before we also have artificial intelligence, but it was not that strong as of today. So after 2023, their revenue and the HPM is repeatedly rising. So this is their best performance of, I can also show you here. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is the year 2022, 2026, and this is their progress and their market size in the billion US dollars, 127.4 billion US dollar globally in the market. And also, as you can see here, is also improving and making great progress. As you can see here, it is making the demand of this is 637.1. All right, so this is million seven 637.1 million HBL globally demand. So yeah, this is all about their growth in HBM, of their market size and also their demand. Let's get to the other part as well. Okay, so as you can see here, I think I'll make it too big. All right, let me just set it up. All right, so let's talk about their market size and demand. All right, so as you can see here, the chart is mentioned here, as you can see in the photo. So let's read out for a while. So from Goldman's Fetch HPM report, according to them, we can see significant growth expectations in the global HBM market size with the increase in NVIDIA's GPU shipments and popularization of CoWoS technology. Supply and demand relationship in the HBM market will become more tense, especially in 2024 and 2025. The market size has increased by 47% and 37% respectively. So it is expected to reach 23 billion US dollars by 2026. This indicates that as a key component of high performance computing, the demand for HBM will continue to grow and the market perspectives are very broad. So this is all the report from the Goldman's prediction report. According to their report, as you can see here in the chart, it is the data from 2022 to 2026. All right, so as you can see, the percentage is given here for every year. In 2022 it was not that much, but later on it was increasing day by day. They have improved a lot in 2023, and later on they become fluent in 2024. And then you can see here 2025 and 2026 prediction is great. 25 and 26, let's have a look for this 2025 and 26. Their prediction is, the value is really great for them. The yellow one is the HBM TAM, as you can see here, and we don't look at the other one, we just look at the HBM TAM. As you can see here, it was only 23 something in 2022, and later on in 2023 it make a really good progress, which was 39 something, and then it comes to 2024 current year, it is 12,000 something, and the prediction is like they might have 18,000 something, and in 26 will be 23,000 something. So this is their progress, this is their achievements, which is predicted by the Goldman Sachs and HBM report. All right, so as you can see here, the demand for the relationship demand in the HBM market is becoming more tense, and especially for the 2022 to, sorry, 2024 to 5. So their market size has increased a lot. Market size has increased too much, as you can see here, which is increased by 47% and 37% respectively, right? So it is expected that there is a prediction that they will reach 23 billion US dollars by 2026. So this is their high performance, all right? And the HBM will continue to grow, and the market size is, prospects are very broad, right? So let's see in the future. Okay, let's talk about the bright future of this Micron HBM3E, which is an amazing achievement by this company, by the Micron Technology. So this product, this AI chip is really amazing. It can work for 24/7 consecutively, and it won't be heated. It won't be any bugging in the errors or bugging, or there will be nothing. It is very smooth and reliable. So this chip is great. You can also have a look on their website. Also, if you want to know what is their website, their official website, you can ask in the comment box, and we will provide you the official website of this company, and you may have a look there. And you can also buy this from the, I think, Amazon, or you can buy from the other sources as well, from their shops as well. You can go and have a look and buy those one. So let's talk about their bright future, all because of this AI chip. They have made a lot of progress. So let's have a look. Firstly, with the expansion of the HBM market, Micron is expected to meet market demand by providing more high-performance HBM products, thereby achieving business growth. Secondly, as HBM production capacity has been fully booked and supply has been allocated to customers, this means that Micron's HBM products are in short supply, which will further enhance its market position and profitability. HBM, as the most expensive part of the AI chips, has particularly tight supply situation. Despite the high prices, the surge in demand for basic AI computing power has led to a shortage of HBM, with Hynix and Samsung fully booked a production capacity for 2024. The industry's supply demand imbalance may still be difficult to alleviate in 2025. This situation not only affects the cost structure of the chip manufacturers, but also prompts companies such as Nvidia to deeply consider the security of their own HBM supply chain. So as you can see here, the demand is too much for this AI chip, even though it's expensive, but the features are amazing. Their features are really great, and many of the companies like Hynix, Samsung, Nvidia, they are looking for it. Like many customers, even the other big customers, like it is already fully booked, right? So they have a short of the supply of this HBM, right? So this is one of the great product. I would suggest you to try this one. I think this will make your PC super faster. So I think this is a really great achievement for this Micron technology. Like they have invented this chip, and that is the reason they have a lot of progress in the stock market, and they have surged by 82%. This is one of the finest reason, as we can see that even if this is the expensive part of the AI chips, but still the demands is too much, and it is become the supply demand imbalance, and maybe it will be difficult to alleviate in 2025. Like it's too much, right? So this is all about their bright future. All right. So as you can see here, the AI assistant. So AI, they are working on the AI too much. So now in volume production, as you can see here, the Micron HBM3E. This is their product, their new product, which is HBM3E. So this is the AI revolution of this company and the achievement of this company, which is great and wonderful, like amazing, like their this product, which is Micron HBM3E. Let's read for a while. So AI assistance brings huge growth opportunities for this company, Micron Technology. So once faced significant challenges in the post-pandemic global economic restructuring. Sales of personal computers and smartphones have sharply declined during the COVID-19. That time they have a short of the supply. Also, their computers and smartphones have sharply declined, leading to a significant reduction in the market demand for Micron's two core business areas. The problem of customer inventory backlog is becoming increasingly prominent, and the operation pressure on Micron continues to increase. So let's have a look before their decline and after their decline, their success, their consecutive hardships. All right. So starting from 2024, this is their story where it will begins. Micron Technology is fully transitioning into the AI field and announced a development agreement with NVIDIA in February. So all have NVIDIA give them a helping hand. What is NVIDIA? NVIDIA is also one of the top company, and they are making also a lot of progress. As I see in my, you can see in my previous videos, they have made a lot of progress. And you know what? They NVIDIA have surpassed Apple recently as well in the stock market, and one of the leading company of the stock market in the US market is NVIDIA also, which is on number 2. Number 1 is Microsoft, obviously. Number 2, NVIDIA, and now the Apple become number 3. Yeah. So according to the reports, NVIDIA will use Micron high bandwidth memory module, which is HBM, in its H24 chip. H200 chip is the NVIDIA's chip, which is called H200 chip. According to the reports, one of the Micron's most famous AI chip, HBM3E, has sold out most of its cores in 2024 and 2025. Why their mention is 2025? Because it is already booked in advance. Yeah, so that's the news, and it is making progress. As you can see here, as you can see the story of this company, like they were facing a significant challenges during the COVID-19. At that period, they have a downfall, and their smartphones, even the computers, were sharply declined. But after that, they did a smart work, and they work on this HBM3E chip. Sorry. And also the company NVIDIA give them a helping hand, and then they grow up again from the 2024 of this year. Starting of this year, the technology is fully transitioning into the AI field with the help of NVIDIA, and the NVIDIA's products is also built in with this Micron HBM3E chip, which is the H200 chip of NVIDIA. So that's why they have the collaboration. So it is very compatible with these two products, all right, which is Micron HBM3E and also the H200. So they have the collaboration, and that is why they have improved a lot, and they are making a lot of progress. All right. So this is we have talked about their progress, their journey from the decline to the success. All right, let's talk about their financial and technical analysis of this company. We will try to analyze the technically and financially. Let's see their financial conditions. Okay. So this is the structure analysis of this weekly chart. As you can see here, the chart is given here, and let me just drag out somewhere else. Yeah, I think this is appropriate. Yeah, so as you can see here, this is the suggestion from our team, our stock market team, which they are expert in, and they have keeping an eye 24/7 on the stock market, on the graphs, on the parameters, each and everything. And for this company, for the Micron Technologies, weekly chart is available here, and this is our suggestion, so you may have a look. And this is only our suggestion purpose, this is only our suggestions if you want to make profits, but it's all up to you. So if you want to implement, that's all up to you. All right, so as you can see from here, from the weekly chart, this is the parameter. All right, so the overall structure shows that the stock price has been an upward circle. As you can see here, it's going upward, right? So this has been going into the upward circle. So at a larger level, it is still in an upward channel, right? It's not going to be downfall. So it will still go to the upward channel. So this is our suggestion. This is our prediction. So if you like it, you may have implement, you may have considered this one, or this is the structure analysis, a weekly chart of Micron Technology. As you can see, the graph, it is written here, Micron Technology, and MU. MU is the code in the stock market. Whenever you see MU in the stocks, that is a Micron Technology company. All right. So this is the I would say the code of this company, which is MU. All right. So this is MU, and this is the parameters. So we have suggested, we have given some predictions as well. So there is, as you can see, text me on WhatsApp. So there is a WhatsApp code is also given. If you are using a PC or a computer, you can use a WhatsApp to scan and contact our customer support team. They're gonna help you regarding to the parameters, graphs, candlestick charts, each and everything about any topic regarding to the stock market, any topic you want to suggest we should work on, we should talk about, or anything, you can contact our customer support team, and we're gonna assist you 100% with a positive response within 24/7, and it is free of cost. That's the amazing news. All right, so furthermore, we also have a link available in the description. So in the description, you can also have a link. You can go to the link, and you can also add our WhatsApp. Furthermore, moreover, if you are very convenient, then you can also ask us anything through the top chat. You can ask in the chat section. Also, you can ask in the comment section, so that we can help you out regarding to this. All right, so this is all about the structure analysis of the weekly chart. Hopefully you like this. So yeah, this is the chart we have talked. Okay, let's talk about their financial condition, financial data of this company. Let's have a look of this company. So let's read for a while, and there's a graph as well. So let's read for a while, and then we're gonna discuss. So in the 2023 fiscal year, Micron's performance has experienced a significant decline, as we mentioned earlier. So showing a double-digit decline to 5 consecutive quarters, with year-on-year decline of 40% or more in 4 quarters. However, just as down is bound to come after dark, with the gradual consumption of excess inventory in the supply chain. The demand for smartphones and personal computers in the market is also showing signs of stabilization and recovery. And the market supply and demand relationships and price levels are gradually being repaired. So Micron released its second quarter results of the February 29th, 2024 with impressive financial results. The revenue increased by 58% year on year, reaching 5.8 billion US dollars, exceeding in the company's own expectations by approximately 500 million US dollars. Among them, the strong performance of the HBM high bandwidth memory market has become as important driving force. Micron supply in the field has been sold out until 2025, so it is already sold out for the next year and it is already reserved, right? So they are highlighting its market leading positions, and despite the complex manufacturing process and low production volume of HBM, its high profitability has led Micron to actively expand productions, indirectly driving supply shortage and price increases is in a DRAM, further enhancing Micron's performance. So they have a decline, a huge decline, as you can see here in 2023 fiscal year. They had a huge decline and loss year on year of 40% more in the 4 quarters, and they have the downfall. But later on, they have released a new result when they have collaborated with NVIDIA. The NVIDIA give them helping hand after collaborating with NVIDIA this year, the starting of 2024, on February 29th, they have shown and result of their company, which was amazing. And as you can see, their progress, impressive financial result. The revenue increased by 58% year on year. So it was reaching around 5.8 billion US dollars, so exceeding the company's own expectations by approximately 500 million US dollars. So that is the reason they have launched the new product, which was AI chip, and this is why they have make a progress. Also, I would say hats off to NVIDIA. Also, with the help of the NVIDIA, with the collaboration of the NVIDIA, they make this achievement. So NVIDIA is one of the top company and one of the second leading company in the stock market. They surpasses Apple. I had mentioned in my previous videos as well. So number one in the stock market of the US is Microsoft. Number two is NVIDIA, and number three now is Apple. Before the Apple was on number two, so NVIDIA the surpass. And what is NVIDIA? NVIDIA is a company, is a US company, which is also great, and they also work on the AI intelligence, GPUs and autonomous mobiles. So this Micron Technology also working on the same field, on the same industry. That is the reason they have a collaboration and introduces a new AI chip, which is great and work for 24/7 without any barriers, and it won't get heated, right? So this is their financial data of this company, Micron Technology. So their financial data, they have a decline, a huge decline, a huge downfall in the COVID-19, and until 2023 they had a huge downfall, and after that the NVIDIA cooperate with them and they have some compatible devices together. They make a progress together and NVIDIA give them a helping hand, and after that they make great progress, like they have make like reach year on year around 5.8 billion US dollars. So that was a great revenue and their impressive financial results, as you can see on the screen of this company, which is Micron Technology. They have a lot of products, but one of the main product was an AI chip, their latest AI chip. All right, so this is the reason they have increased a lot. They have made a progress a lot. As you can see, their income statement here in the graph is mentioned from June 2023. This is the chart of the 2024. In 2020 they have a really downfall, like it was around year on year 40% of the decline. So later on they make 5.8 billion US dollars, which was amazing, and approximately 500 million US dollars. So this is their the total revenue, as you can see here, the data of their financial conditions, gross profit, operating income, net income, everything. So their shareholders also appreciate to the shareholders. Shareholders are also happy, like they are working together, and also this company is giving them profits. So if you are considering about this company as well, you can have a look. And this is our suggestion from our side, and we have a research on this company. I think they are really doing great in the stock market. You can have a look on their daily charts and also their weekly charts. So I will also upload a short video on their daily charts or the weekly charts. Also, I will upload on their stock performance, and I have also uploaded many videos. As you can go to the list playlist and have a look which company you like the most and which company is doing great. Everything I have mentioned there, and which one you like the company, or if you prefer which language also depends on you. So previously we were doing in Hindi language. So later on we have decided on some viewers demand, some of the viewers demands, like we need to do in English as well. But it's all up to you. So you can also tell us in the chat box in the comment section whether you like to have an conversation, or you want us to do the streaming or the short videos or even the reels in Hindi or in English or Urdu. So it's all up to you. All right. So let's dive into the other part. So this is the Wall Street. Wall Street also a very huge institution, is a great institution, as you can see here. So Wall Street institutions raised their expectations before after publishing their third quarter of the financial data. All right. So let's have a look on their data. Right, on June 17th by 2024, according to the US time. Right. So several analysts adjusted the target price of Micron before the release of its financial report, as you can see here. And then Bank of America, and then analyst from the Bank of America Securities, and also the Cantor Fitzgerald. So also the numerous Wall Street institutions and the Rosenblatt, they have also made a huge contribution, and they are the big analyst. The analyzation of them, as you can see here, the Bank of America, they have the target price of the 144 to 170 dollars, and they have confirmed buying rating from the stock. And then later on, the Cantor Fitzgerald, also from the 150 to 180, and over rating in the company stocks. And later on, as you can see, the Rosenblatt maintained Micron's technology rating as a buy. All right. So this is our prediction and also our suggestion. The new target price of this Rosenblatt was buy and was $225 per share. All right. Let's get to the other part as well. As you can see here, mentioned a lot about the analyst of these reasons for the decline after the third quarter and financial report. Third quarter report exceeded expectations, and but the guidance for the next quarter is not eye-catching enough. All right. So after the latest financial report was released by Micron Technologies, its stock prices fell by more than 9% in the post-market trading on the US market, and the company's quarterly performance data and outlook showed extremely strong and financial fundamentals in the frenzy of global companies investing heavily in the AI. However, Wall Street has a very high expectations for the financial report and performance outlook. The performance outlook for the next fiscal quarter has not met the extremely high expectations of some investment institutions on the Wall Street. Okay. So according to the financial data, as you can see on June 2024, the third quarter of 2024 fiscal year, ending on May 3rd, 30th, Micron's total revenue increased significantly by 82% to 6.81 billion US dollars. That is a really good amount, a huge amount. So regarding the performance expectation from the next fiscal year, the companies started in the outlook section of its performance announcement that expect revenue to reach 7.4 billion US dollars to 7.8 billion US dollars in the fourth quarter of 2024. However, some analysts expect that to exceed 8 billion US dollars, which is also an important logic for Micron's stock price to suffer a heavy decline after announcing its outlook. So this is their performance, and the decline also we have talked about their decline as well, and also we had talked about their progress, their status, everything. So given the financial performance is not poor, we investors needs to have some patience. Of course, everything in the stock market, in the stock exchange, you must have patience. That is the main point. So this is the summary. We had talked a lot about this company. They are one of the finest product, which is Micron's HBM3 memory product is becoming a leader in the industry due to its outstanding performance. And Nvidia also working with them, and it is compatible with Nvidia's H200 as well. The AI wise is sweeping the world, and HPM market size and demand is exploring too much. Wall Street institutions raised their expectations before publishing the third quarter of financial data of this company. They are making their expectations to raise their buy option. All right. The third quarter report exceed expectations, but the guidance for the next year quarter is not an eye-catching enough. So this is all about, we have talked about the summary. This is a great company, and we had talked about this company, the financial data, how financially they are strong, what is their collaboration with the other shareholders, and what is their achievements, what was their downfall, what was their success, and what is the company profile. Each and everything we have looked deeper, and we have learned a lot about this. Hopefully you like this video, and in the end I would say thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe the channel, and please do like the video and share the video. I hopefully you like this session, and later on I will upload 2 videos of this company as well, and please have a look as well. And also I have uploaded a reel in Hindi language, and also if you want to prefer which language, please do ask please tell us in the chat option in the chat box, so that we can consider which language we need to talk on. For example, Hindi or English, or Urdu, you can choose any of them. So we will try our best to do the streaming in that specific language. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this section was great, and thank you so much for watching, and happy weekend.